here we go. Let's see how this goes. I have not done this in a long time. All right. If there's anybody on, this is a breadboard project to create a mood lamp, and it comes from one of the subscription box services called Creation Crate. But nobody's watching yet, so oh, there we go. 2 people hopped on. See here. I should be able to see both, but I guess I can't. That's right. Okay. If anybody's kind of on and watching right now, this is a breadboard project from a subscription box company called Creation Crate. You can kind of see it right there. A co-host of mine from the Making Geeks podcast, I reached out to them a couple months ago, and they gave us one of these boxes as kind of an evaluation of possibly doing some business with them, which didn't pan out in the long run. But I've had this evaluation box for a while and decided to see what it's all about, see if it works, and just have a little bit of fun. I haven't worked with electronics in a while, and I'm kind of curious to see how it goes. You guys can let me know if I'm messing up, if I'm doing anything wrong, or if you guys have more experience with these electronics than I do. You guys can let me know. I'm planning on turning this into a more formal video later on, so it should show up in my channel when it's done as a proper video. So I just have a couple jumpers going to this driver board that'll end up driving some LEDs. So, see here, just some basic, let's get out of the view there. Red, blue, and green LEDs that are jumped over to these wires with a resistor and I guess it'd be a photocell. And those will jump over to, see, a little Uno board there. Let's see if I can get a little bit more of a bird's eye view there. So I have those three pinned over to the board. One more that goes from the photocell. So that. At this point, I'm just following directions from their instruction booklet. I figure after I get this together and see how it works, I think the fun part will be taking this and seeing what other projects I can do with it. Kind of have a little bit of fun that way. And I'm imagining that that's what they feel the real value is out of this. So then we go from there. So it looks like the last pin on the board. In fact, I don't think I've really done much wiring or electronics since physics class in high school. Almost everything in college was software based. I didn't really do any more circuits or electronics or any of that stuff. Let's see, am I missing something? Do I have an extra wire? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that right? That looks like it might be it. If I could get the right angle here for everybody. Let's see. Let's see if I can double check my work. 3 LEDs lined up with the jumper pins there to the rails. Over here, each one goes to an input on the driver board. And it looks like I have those 3 pins correct. And it looks like I have the pins correct on the other side. 1, 2. Those 3 are going in correctly, and those 2 are right there. These. All right. The next part in this project is, according to them, is going here and stupid camera. There we go. Downloading some code and actually loading it onto the board in order to make these blank. This next part's going to be very interesting, but actually, you know what? Let's do this part.